How to schedule WhatsApp messages. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Now type WhatsApp SMS scheduler. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on schedule UP and tap on install. Now wait for the application to install. Now tap on open. Now tap on message scheduler and tap on agree. Now tap on enable accessibility. Now go to downloaded apps. Now tap on schedule UP. Now enable the boot toggle. Now go back to the application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on add contacts. Now select contacts. Now select the chat. You can adjust date by tapping on date. Now tap on OK. Now adjust the time by tapping on time. And tap on OK. Now write the message. Now tap on the tick icon. So by following this simple step, you can schedule your WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.